Hello and welcome guys to today's challenge on Leet coding challenge. So today's problem is given flat fill. Let us first look into the question and then we'll move on to the solution. So question is, an image is represented by a 2D array of integers, each integer representing a pixel value of the image from 0 to 65535. So given a coordinate SR and SC representing the starting pixel of the flat fill and the pixel value new color. Flat fill the image. Okay, SR and SC are given the rows and the columns, and we have to paint, add the value new color. Basically, flat fill. What is flat fill? To perform a flat fill, consider the starting pixel plus any pixels connected 4 directionally to the string to the starting pixel of the same color as the starting pixel plus any pixels connected to 4 directionally to those pixels also with the same color as the starting point, and so on. Replace the color of all the aforementioned pixels with the new color. At the end, return the modified image. Okay, kind of a great explanations given, but I don't think you will first understand at a one go. So let me first take this input and output, and let me make you understand by line by visualizing graphically. So let us paste here the inputs for the better understandings. These are the inputs. Now let us copy the outputs. These are the outputs. Okay, now the conditions that is given, just copy down this and paste it over here for explaining purpose. Okay, so given the column 1 and the starting column starting row equal to 1 and starting column equal to 1. So first find this position in this input matrix. So 1 and 1 refers to this position, right? Sorry, yeah, this position. So we will start the traversing or changing the old color to the new color from here. So new color, we have to change the 1 to 2, that is the old color was 1 and the new color is 2, so we have to change it. And if you read this problem here, it is mentioned that we can change the pixels connected 4 directionally to the starting pixel. So we can change only 4 direction, that is top, down, left and right. Okay, so let us change the 2 for starting from here. So we are going to top, change 1 to 2. We are coming down 0, we can't change 0. If it only we can change if it was 1, so discard it, leave that alone. So come to left 1, yeah, you can change to 2. Right also 0, we can't change, leave it like that. Come to 2 and then look all in the 4 direction. Sorry, yeah. So top change to 2, down also change to 2. Now basically we are done. Right 0, so we can't change. So come here, then look all the sides. Right basically change to 2, down can't, yeah, it's already. So this one remains 1 like this. This is because we can't change diagonally. only have the permission to change in the 4 direction, that is top, down, left and right. So it would remain like this, as we have no path to reach 1. So 0 and 0 we can't change, and we can't reach 1, so it's like that. So this is the your outputs. See, match this with your output one. This is, so basically you have to do this. If you want, I can do the comment here for a better understandings. And now solve the problem like it. So basically this is a recursion algorithm. We'll use recursion algorithm to solve this problem. So basically let us start. First we will check if at all we have to change anything or not. If already the pixels are in new color, then we have not have to change this, right? So let us first check this condition, then we'll move on to the next steps. So image src y equal to new color, then return the image. We don't have anything to change, right? So return the image. Yeah, so this part is done. So if this is not the case, then we have to do that recursion. So for that we need another function, public. Let us first declare it public void. It would not return anything, this function. We will call this function here, so we are keeping it void. Let us name this change. Yeah, you can go with change, you can name it anything, int. Then copy down all these. Basically I'm copying down all these variables from this function to here, and then what we have to do is add a new variable, that is old color. If we found a old color, we will change to new color, right? So old color, done, initialize it. So first we have to check if the rows and columns and the matrix is out of bound or not, that is if it is greater than 0 or less than 0, so under case overflow, we have to check this condition. So first let us check this. Let's first check for the row greater than 0, then go for the column greater than 0, or for the row length, now check the length, image dot length. Now go for the column, image dot length. Now go for the matrix total, image sc not equal to color. Then simply return. If this is not the case, now come to the main task. What is the main task? First initialize the starting position, that is srnsc. That was basically this 1 1 1 1 position with the new color. Okay, new color is equal to new color. Then move to the recursion part. This is the main part and the most important part of this code. So now first image, first recursion, the row, the column, then the old color, then the new color. Okay, so copy this and paste it 3 times down. Then I am explaining why. So basically what we have to do, now we have to traverse in the 4th direction. So 4th direction means top, down, left and right. So top, down, left, right. So 4 recursive calls for the 4 directions. Clear? So you can go with your choice first, from which position you want to, from which direction you want to start traversing. For me, we are going from down to up. No, basically we go from top to down. So row -1 for the top. Now we are going to the down, row +1, and we check. Then to the left and the right, come like this in the column part, -1, then +1. Basically we are done in the recursive calls. Now what we have to do, the last thing we have to do is call this function change. Where? Here. Yeah, right, in the main function. So let us do this. Change first, initializing within an object, image, sr, sc, image, sr, sc, and the new color, and return image. Cool. So let us first run, sorry. So let us now run this and check if there is any error or not. Compiler, what is the compiler? New color. Oh, holy shit. New color is not. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, now let us check. Let us submit it. Done. So basically this was a good problem, good challenge. It was really a challenging task. First understand, if you understand the problem, then half of the battle is won there. Then move on to the solution. So this was this. So see you next time tomorrow with a new challenge on Leetcode. Until then, if you like my video, subscribe this channel, leave a like, and comment if you have any doubts. I will always there. I will help you. So until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.